Blessings, everyone. Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. I'm Mrs. Gold. I know it's been a minute. I'm sorry. I'm always just busy. Watch my artist with microphone. I do promo. Yo, always there to support his fans. Pick up Alkaline. As you guys know, or maybe do not know, Alkaline had a recent performance at Sands in Florida. Miami in particular. And he shell down the place. And a lot of people have put up the full performance, but what I'm doing is just sharing some of the most memorable moments from his Sands performance. So kick back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and follow. Bless.
Hey, stop! Make them know say you're so you cannot say that. No confusion. No, shut up, I over.